What is AI bias and how can it be fixed? Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can sometimes make unfair decisions? This brings us to the topic of AI bias. AI bias refers to systematic and unfair discrimination in the outputs of artificial intelligence systems. It often stems from prejudiced assumptions, biased data, or the design of algorithms. When AI models produce results that favor certain groups over others, they reflected and perpetuate existing social inequalities. There are several forms of AI bias. Algorithmic bias occurs when the logic or rules of the AI disadvantage some groups. Sample bias arises when the training data is insufficient or unrepresentative, leading the AI to learn skewed patterns. Selection bias happens when the data collection process favors certain populations, distorting the datasets. Historical bias is present when AI learns from data that reflects past inequities, such as discriminatory practices. Lastly, confirmation bias involves favoring information that supports existing beliefs, affecting how humans interact with AI outputs. Examples of AI bias can be seen in generative AI tools like DALL-E and Midjourney. These tools sometimes produce stereotyped images, such as depicting business leaders mostly as white males. Job recommendation systems can also show bias by favoring male candidates over equally qualified female candidates. Even productivity plugins that use AI can reflect bias if their underlying models are trained on imbalanced data. So, how can we fix AI bias? First, improving data quality and diversity is essential. Ensuring that training datasets are large, diverse, and representative of different demographics helps reduce sample and selection biases. Second, we can use algorithmic fairness techniques. Developing and applying fairness-aware algorithms can help detect and mitigate bias during model training and decision-making. Third, transparency and accountability are vital. Making AI systems more interpretable allows developers and users to understand how decisions are made and identify biased outcomes. Fourth, human oversight and review play a key role. Combining AI outputs with human judgment can help catch and correct biased results, especially in sensitive areas like hiring or healthcare. Fifth, continuous monitoring and updating are necessary. Bias can evolve as AI systems interact with new data, so ongoing evaluation and retraining are crucial. Lastly, ethical design and diverse teams in AI development help identify potential biases early and design more equitable systems. In the context of AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Midjourney, being aware of bias is essential. For example, ChatGPT's responses depend on its training data and can reflect biases present in that data. Developers are actively working to reduce these biases by refining training methods and incorporating user feedback. Understanding AI bias and addressing it is a vital part of AI ethics. It ensures that these technologies serve all users fairly and responsibly.